Hey y'all, this is this jazz fingers. Anywho, hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be doing a hair tutorial. If y'all haven't seen the title, caption of the video. So yeah, I'll be doing a hair tutorial on bounce curl, and I'll just be telling y'all, or showing y'all how it works in my hair and how I use it to get this lovely curl. Okay, because they're looking good today. They are behaving. Because you know, every time you wash your hair, it's like a raffle. You don't know what you're gonna get. But yeah, they came out good today. They came through. So yeah, if you want to see how that goes, then keep on watching. Okay, so as you can see, I washed my hair. I'm gonna go ahead and so I already washed my hair with their clarifying shampoo. Go ahead and use their cleansing conditioner. And let me just tell y'all, this conditioner right here, it smells so good. Like, I'm not even lying about it. So yeah. So I'm just gonna like kind of part my hair a bit. It's not gonna be a perfect part, but it's gonna be a little something. See, I'm just gonna kind of like section my hair into two. That way I could just apply it easier. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply some leave-in conditioner, and I'm gonna go ahead and use Shea Moisture's Jamaican Black. Got some hair on it. Jamaican Black castor oil, and yeah, this is my favorite one. I love this one so much. Like, it's the best. I love Shea Moisture products. I used to use the orange, I think it's the coconut hibiscus line, but then I stopped using it because it didn't really like curls. I guess they were getting used to it, and then I went back to it again. So now we got a stable, healthy relationship. So I'm gonna get like a pretty generous amount. And sometimes I go back and forth between this leave-in or just some conditioner, and I use that as my leave-in. So I'm just gonna work that into my hair. Alright, so now that this side is done, I'm gonna go ahead and do the same to this side, and after that I'll comb it through. So just work that into this side too. And can y'all see this highlight? Like, looking bomb, isn't it? Come through, Maybelline. Alright, next I'm going to take my Texture Pro comb, and I'm just going to comb it out. So I can work that product in, you know what I'm saying? And we're going to start on the ends too, by the way, and then work our way to the top. Bop, 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 bop to the top. Alright, we're going to go ahead and get started on this side. Can y'all see the difference? Probably look the same, but they feel different. Alright, so now that we're done detangling, I'm going to go ahead and go to the next step, which is the one I was talking about, you know, Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus. And this stuff right here is like OG. Like I was telling y'all, this is what I probably first started using when I started learning about my hair. I had to take care of it and style it. And then tried some new stuff because it wasn't really working like how I wanted it to work, and then I just came back to it. So yeah, we're gonna take a good amount too and work that in. Hopefully it doesn't get on my shirt. Okay, like that. So I'll rub that in. And I like to work on the ends to the top because my ends, they be thirsty. And they need to be quenched. So I gotta quench their thirst. And this smells so good too. Next step, I'm going to be using my wave brush, a little bristle brush. What do I got in there? We've got some product in it. My wave brush, bristle brush, whatever y'all want to call it. And I'm just going to go ahead and kind of smooth my hair down with this. I like to smooth the middle part down, like here, so it doesn't give me like a part. But then again, I still take this section and smooth out my hair. And like, you guys see how I like kind of like pulls my hair together? Like, that's what I'm talking about. I mean, you don't have to do this, but so yeah, you see how it is compared to like this side where it's like kind of just everywhere, and this side is just so together. And this side is like they don't got their things together, they're all over the place, organized, got their life together. Not so much. This is how I aspire to be with this side. But that doesn't always work out. Oh, I was about to put more product on there. So yeah, same thing to this side. Okay, next I'm gonna go ahead and do this part because y'all can see it's already starting to come out. Okay. So I'm just gonna brush the middle and in the front so I don't get that part like I was telling y'all. Okay. Now, I'm going and use Bounce Curl Light Cream Gel. And we're gonna see what all the hype is about, because I've been seeing this all over Instagram. And I've been using it for a while. Don't get me wrong. I've been using it. That's why I wanted to make a video showing you guys how I use it. Because a lot of people were saying that how, I mean, it's kind of biased. Like, some people were saying it works better by itself. Does it and whatnot, but I like putting it with cream, so that's why I put my friend over here. So we're gonna go ahead and go in with the light cream gel. I'm not really a fan of gels except for, I believe, Diva Curl's Light Defining Gel and this one. Probably the only gels I actually like, if we're being honest. I've tried gels and I don't like the crisp feeling, but it depends how much you use too. If you use too much, then it'll probably like give you that crisp feeling, but if you use just the right amount, you gotta kind of like play with it a little bit, kind of experiment with it to find, you know, that So I'm gonna go ahead and probably use about this amount. Hopefully it doesn't swoop, but yeah, like that. I kind of just like coat it with my hands. And I'm kind of like just coating the outside, not really like just to seal all that stuff that I just put in, all that moisture. Just leaving that in. And the next side. Again, So yeah, like I said, I'm just gonna like kind of like coat it like so. Nothing wrong with the little frizz though. I like the little frizz. I might add a little more because my ends, they need to be tamed, y'all. They gotta be tamed. And I kind of just like scrunch it in like that. Then I didn't get some more and get the middle. You don't want to, that crown area can be a problem sometimes. So yeah, just work that in the front. And then I'm gonna flip my hair over and add a little bit more and just kind of scrunch that in. Let's see if y'all could see. Scrunch, scrunch, scrunch. Just kind of work that in. Okay. All right. So after this, I'm gonna let my hair kind of like just dry on its own and not kind of diffuse it and just.
2 hours later.
Alright you guys, so I'm back and this is the final result of my hair tutorial using Bounce Girl. And of course my other products, but I'm gonna show y'all how. This is basically how I use the product. Some of y'all might use it by yourself. Some of y'all might not even be using it at all and clicked on and stumbled on this video, but appreciate you for being here. Anywho, so yeah. This is it. Alright you guys, so this is the end of my hair tutorial using Bounce Curl. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up in my next video. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see y'all next time. Yeah, I know it's a hair video, but can y'all peep the highlight? I'm just gonna